Hello and welcome to Yasash TV. The question of the year is, which one is the best drone out there in current market? Well, I have this drone. For those who know some few things about drones, they will tell from the case what drone it is. So this is original DJI Mavic Mini. Some people call it Mavic Mini 1. So for this whole review is about personal experience, personal preference. So this is the drone of the year 2020 for 2021 as well, because this is awesome drone. The best drone is the one which you use it, not like you buy it and you keep it and it's too bulky, too big, you can't even use it, you can't even fly. So there are a bunch of videos I have recorded with this. It records professional quality videos in 2K resolution. It's super light and it has awesome range, decent range, as much as you would ever try to go and use it for. Like you don't want your drone to go that far anyway, so you can't even eyeball them, like you can't even see them. So this has range that can suffice all your needs. It's lightweight, it's easy, it's good to get take with you for travels. There are a bunch of videos I have recorded with this drone. The best thing about this is you can get this drone in half price now, because there is Mini 2 out there, and this will, trust me, this will do almost 99% same job as Mini 2, and you can get it in half price now because it's old version. So I've recorded a bunch of videos with this Mavic Mini drone. This video is recorded on Mavic Mini, where we visited Game of Thrones locations as part of the series. We recorded we visited all the locations of Game of Thrones, famous popular TV series Game of Thrones locations. So I used my drone on that drone in this video, and we recorded a whole series around this. Awesome footage. You can't tell, like, this looks so professional. And I've recorded this video with Mavic Mini. This entire series I've been using drone for this entire series, and I've recorded this series. We're doing another series which is visiting all the wonders of the world, and this series I've used my drones in many times, and awesome like footage. You can check these footages out later on, and you can't tell like if they are being recorded with some like very expensive drones or Mavic Mini. You can't tell because the video quality is so good. This video has been recorded with Mavic Mini. This video has been recorded with Mavic Mini, and these videos been recorded. And there's a whole series. If you go to playlists and if you look for this series, Flying with Nasaj series, this entire series is been recorded on Mavic Mini. Check it out. Easy to travel with, easy to keep it in your luggage, lightweight. And the weight of this drone is 249 grams, which is very helpful with the law and regulations, because a lot of countries, more than 90% of the countries in the world, allow this weight of a drone, allow them to fly without any license or without any paperwork. But still, you gotta check where you're flying. An awesome drone, never let me down, super lightweight, and I'm never gonna change it, because the drone is giving me everything I need. And there's Mavic Mini 2 now, which I'm sure is a decent drone, but to be honest, as long as you have this, you do not have need to change it. So conclusion is the best drone is the drone that you have, and the drone that you actually use and not scared of using it. And those bulky big drones you buy, and you will be like scared to take them with you while you're traveling, or they are bulky and too many restrictions, and the lightweight drone is better. So if you do not have any drone, get Mavic Mini 2, or they just call it Mini 2, DJI Mini 2. DJI Mini 2 will give you everything you want, and this is the best drone. DJI Mini 2 is the best drone to start with. Get DJI Mini 2 and you will praise me later. Awesome drone. DJI drones are the best drones. They're so stable, they're reliable, their technology is proven. The battery life, oh my god, the Mini drones battery life is awesome. 30 minutes flight time, Just love it. You watch my videos and see if you can tell if they are recorded from, you would be like, oh, they are almost recorded from some professional drones. So yeah, the best drone is the one you have. The best drone is the one you can easily carry around everywhere and you actually use it. You don't feel shy or embarrassed to take it out like big bulky drones. So yeah, just wanted to put it out there. And hopefully in 2021 we all gonna be flying more and we're gonna have a wonderful time. Take care of yourself, stay safe, see you in the next video. Bye bye.